Just a second. How many exercises are there in your book, in your NCRT? Yes. How many exercises are there? Please check it. Anyone from here?
I'm 4 exercises.
Because some part from here is omitted from the syllabus. So we need to be careful, we must not take over. So the second exercise already we have done. The third exercise today we will do. Okay. So suppose we are having one of the questions. Since now we know identities and I am writing the identities at first over here. Okay, to remind you. So the first identity, hi Aisha, how are you?
Hi, ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay. So we are discussing the question which is related to identities, Aisha. Are you solving previous year question paper?
No, ma'am, right now I did not start.
From this chapter you have not practiced?
No, ma'am.
Please start, Aisha, because this chapter already you have completed, right?
Yes.
Yes, when you will start solving like the previous year question paper, Aisha, then you will be able to analyze that whether you have understood exactly the concept or not. Okay? And if you are feeling doubt in any of the question,
I was practicing polynomials.
okay, you will start. Great. Like if you have started, that's great. Anyone who have started from here solving previous year question paper? This is the first identity. Okay. Trigonometric identities. Okay, it's trigonometric identities. Can you tell me what is the second identity which we are having? You will say. Who will say the second?
Square A minus tan square A equals 1.
Perfect. And the next one is cosec square A minus cot square A. Is it so? equals to 1? Yes or no? Right? Now let's solve
Yeah.
your questions. Suppose we are having, like if you will be having this type of question, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. What will be the value of that? Quickly.
1.
No, it will not be 1, Aisha. Be careful. We can take out 9 common. Result will be 9. Okay, because sec square a minus tan square a is 1, and 9 multiplied with 1 is 9. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay, so this, if this type of question will be there, then you will be able to do it, right? Suppose we are having this questions 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta, and here we'll be having 1 plus cot theta minus 2 sec theta. Then what to do over here? Who will say? Anyone who want to try? These are the short like MCQ questions. Yes, what to do over here? For now, we are not getting what to do. Let's convert it in sine and cos. So the basic approach when we are having any question from trigonometry, if we are not getting, so the first step, the very first step, we will be converting it in sine and cos. Tan we can write it in the terms of sine and cos. Sec we can write it in terms of cos. Okay, cot also, cosec also. So the first thing, if you are not getting anything, you should do this step. Okay, so we will be doing it. Let's write it 1 plus this tan we can write as a sine like this. Can we write it like this? Can we? Can we write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Sec can be written as sec can be written as 1 by cos. Yes or no? Similarly, the bracket can be written as 1 can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Now please tell me what will be the next step. We will see the next step. Yes. Please take the LCM to the simplification. Let me know what are you.
Ma'am, lot of background noise coming from my side.
Okay, just a second. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what will be the LCM in the first bracket?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. And what are we going to get in the numerator's part?
Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1.
Exactly. And what are we going to get in the second bracket? The
Sin
LCM will be
sin theta.
9.
Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1.
okay. Now, can you see this one and this one is exactly same? Cos theta sin plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta. Like it's the same thing. Yes or no? Are you able to notice the structure A plus B and A minus B over here?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
see carefully cos theta plus sin theta and then plus 1, cos theta plus sin theta, then minus 1. So A plus B, this is A plus B, A minus B. Okay, that means can we write it as a square minus B square? Can we? Can we write it as a cos theta plus sin theta? That is our A square minus B square. Can we write it like this? Please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, we can write it like this. Now we will proceed over here. And if you will see carefully, we are having cos theta plus sin theta whole square. So basically it will be cos square theta. Okay. Plus what will be there, Aisha?
Sin square theta.
2 sin theta cos theta, right? A
Yeah.
plus B whole square formula.
And after
And then,
that, sin square theta.
yes, perfect. And here minus 1 over sin theta into cos theta. Here sin square theta, here cos square theta, added together will make 1. Okay, if even if it is not sitting together, we can write it together. Okay. For example, just the basic example, if you are having 3 minus 5 plus 8, you can add this 8 and 3 at first, and then you can subtract 3. Nothing will happen. Answer will be same. Okay. However, when we are having multiplication and division, then we have to, like, we must be strict with border mass. But addition and subtraction can be done here and there. So we will be taking this cos square theta plus sin square theta together, which will make 1. Okay, for your clarity, I am writing it together. This together will be nothing but 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 over sin theta cos theta. Can you tell me what will be the answer from here? Please tell me.
2 sin theta.
Yes. What will be the final result? 1 and 1 will cancel out. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will be having 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. So result, the value will be, is it 2? Is it 2? The final answer is 2. Why 2?
Yes. Because it will cancel out.
Yes, because it will cancel out and everything is in multiplication. That's why we are not worried about while doing the cancellation. We don't have to be careful because all are in multiplication with each other. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so the final, when you are not getting anything, And if there is a proof, if there is a like find the value or whatever, always just try converting it in terms of sine and cos. Definitely it will give you idea what to do after that. Okay. So let's say we are having 1 plus tan square A over 1 plus cot square A. I'm giving you 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Think about it and let me know what to do over here. Here, let me tell you, directly also you can use the identity. Okay, all the three identities must be on your tips. Okay, and check it. Are you able to use the identities directly over here? Are you? If you can, that's great. Okay, so check it. And then here also we have to find the value of this one. Value can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, like the previous question. It can be anything. Okay. So try using the identity and let me know what to do over here. Are you able to do it? Aisha, Alvina, Afnan, Abdul. Are you able? Are you able to find the value of this one, Aisha? Aisha, are you there, Aisha?
Yes.
Are you able to do it, Aisha?
Mama, I don't understand. Can we directly write 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A?
Yeah, we can write it, Aisha, directly. Okay, because three formula we are having in our tips. Okay, we have memorized the formula, we understand the formula, and the formulas are sec is the like any way you can write it. It's not like the first one is sine square A plus cos square A. Any way you can write it. So sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. This is one of the formula. Here, this formula, we can use this formula as sec square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. So yes, you said it correctly that at the place of 1 plus tan square A, we can write sec square A. And at the place of 1 plus cot square
So
A,
I
can
got
we write?
sec square A.
Yeah. Okay, this is what we are having. Now sec and cosec we are having. If we will try writing it in terms of sine and cos, we'll be having 1 by cos
Yeah.
square, yes or no? And here we'll be having 1 by sine square. If we will do like which I always explain when we are having fraction by fraction, then what
Yes.
to do? It will become
Reciprocal 1 by cos square A multiplied by sine square A by 1.
exactly. So basically it will be sine square A by cos square A, right? That means can we say it is nothing but tan square A? Can we? Okay. So yeah, this is the answer. Let me see in these questions. No, we are also having the options. However, while writing the question, I must mention the option so that it will guide you. So yeah, here options are like this. Option number one sec square A. Option number 2 minus 1. Option number 3 cot square A. And option number 4 tan square A. So we will say that option 4 is the correct option. Everyone getting it?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Now few proofs we are having. Okay, so we have to prove that Zunad, are you getting Zunad?
Yes. Yeah.
Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. We have to prove here that left hand side and right hand side are same. However, for now it doesn't look like same. Okay, it doesn't look same. But we have to prove that these two are same by using the identity, by using the concept that is cosec means 1 by sine. Quart means like when we don't know anything, when we are completely blank, then one approach, that means we will be maybe we will be taking cosec as a 1 by sine and cot as a cos by sine, and we will be thinking about it maybe. Okay, let's check it. It can work, it cannot work. Okay, it may work, it may not work, it depends. Okay, but let me tell you, 80% of the time it will work. 80% time, not 100% time. Okay, sometime it will not work, so we have to check it. Let's check it. If we will be taking left hand side, see, I am showing you the approach. I'm not showing you how we'll be solving it quickly. I will show you that this is only way you have to solve it. No, I'm showing you the approach, that how you will approach any question. So whenever you are seeing any question, you don't know anything about it, you will be taking the question. Okay, you will be taking the question, you will be writing at the place of cosec, you will be writing 1 by sine. At the place of cot, you will be writing cos by sine. Then you should take the LCM and you try doing the simplification. So the LCM will be sine, and in numerator we'll be having 1 minus cos. But it's like power 2 is there. And if we will focus on the other side, power 2 is not there. Can you see? Power 2 is not there. Okay. So let's see what can be done now. Anyone having any idea what to do now? Aisha, Afnan,
We
you
can
two have
use
already
the
identity. Can we use a minus
A
b
square,
identity?
yeah, A minus B whole square.
A square minus 2 into a into b. Okay. plus b square. That's the formula. And the denominator will also take its power.
A
The
sine
power
square.
2, yeah. The power 2 which we are having, numerator will take the power, denominator will take the power. Now we'll be having in the numerator's part 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta by sine square theta. Now what to do? Now what to do? Previously it seemed like we are almost there, like 1 minus cos theta we have got, and there also we are having 1 minus cos theta. But now when we expanded it, we are feeling like now what to do over here. Yes, Afnan, what to do over here? Any idea? Or maybe previously only we could have done anything. And if this is not helping, will the other part will help, like 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta? Like sometime we will be taking the right hand side and then we will be able to prove the left hand side. That is comparatively easy than taking the left side and proving the right side. However, both way it is possible. Okay, but sometimes comparatively it is easy to take the this side and prove this side. What to do over here? Who will say? Any idea? If we will try rationalizing it by multiplying, what we need, if we will multiply 1 minus cos theta here also and 1 minus cos theta here also, if we will try rationalizing it, we are not getting what to do. Then what we'll be getting in the numerator? 1 minus cos theta, that's a square. And what we'll be getting in the denominator? A plus b and a minus b type of structure, right? So we will be getting a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus cos square theta, right? Right? And it seems like we are almost there. Can you see? 1 minus cos theta in the numerator's part is square, and in the denominator 1 minus cos square theta, that is sine square theta, right? Right?
Yes.
We are done.
Yeah.
We are done. It is comparatively easy to take the right side and prove it. However, with left side also I'm going to show you how we will be proving. So if you want to prove by taking right side, let me help you with that. We can take right hand side directly, and we can take 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now we are thinking about the identity, we are thinking about changing, we are not getting anything, then rationalization is right. And we are thinking, okay, let's apply the concept of rationalization. So this is what we are getting. Now in the numerator part, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, it became 1 minus cos theta complete square. In the denominator, it became 1 minus cos square theta. In numerator, still it is 1 minus cos theta complete square, and in denominator it is sine square. Now we will not expand it. If we will expand, then again we will distract. Okay, we won't be able to prove it. So what we will do, we will say that 1 minus cos theta and sine theta both are having power 2. Okay, and this inside the bracket part can be written as 1 by sine theta minus cos theta by sine theta. Just the reverse process of taking the LCM. Everything is having power 2. And 1 by sine means cosec theta minus cot theta square, and hence we ended up getting the left hand side. Tell me yes or no. Are you getting it? Are you getting? Are you getting it? Okay, however, by taking the left hand side, I'm going to show you how you will be able to prove by taking the left side. So if we are having the same question, prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. You don't know what to do. Okay, by default we are like always what we do, we take system always most of the time we take left hand side and we try proving the right hand side. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. I told you when you don't know anything you must convert in sine and cos term. So you converted and you got this one. Okay, you got this one. Everything is having a square. Now we will be giving the square in the numerators form, but we will not expand because the other side we can see 1 minus cos theta is there. If you will expand it just like the way we did, you will not be able to prove it. This numerator part looks like the right hand side for now. Check it. It looks like the right hand side for now. So we will not disturb it. Okay. What we will do over here, this sine square theta, can we write sine square theta as a 1 minus cos square theta by using the identity? Can we? Can we? Yes or no? Can we do it like this? Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the denominator is looking like a square minus b square. Check it. Can we write a plus b? A minus b. And in numerator 1 minus cos theta whole square. We will not expand it. We will not expand it. Otherwise, we will get trapped and we won't be able to prove. Here, one of the 1 minus cos theta will get cancelled and we are done with the proof. Then anytime if you are feeling that with left hand side you got stuck, leave it quickly and start just taking the like right hand side and see that if that is possible to prove like right hand side is equals to left hand side. This is the approach I am telling you. However, question you will be practicing over here, and if the same question will come in the exam, then automatically you will be able to do. Okay, that much practice of course you should do. But if new question will come, then how we will approach that? So this is how you will approach that. The basic concept is whenever you see tan, cosec, cot, sec, always convert it in the form of sine and cos. And try doing the simplification, try using the identity. Only 3 formula in trigonometry chapter when you will go in the next class, huge, so many formulas, so many formulas we are having. But in your class, only 3 identities you have learned. Okay. So just try thinking that is it possible to use those 3 formulas over here? If it is possible, great. If not possible, like just like in this scenario we are able to use one of the formula which you have learned previously, a square minus b square formula. So if that is possible, apply it and check it, and hence we will be able to prove it like this. That is right hand side. Everyone is getting it. Abdul, Afnan, Alvina, Aisha, Zunad, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
From right hand side how to prove left hand side, or maybe from left hand side how to prove right hand side. Getting it? Let's solve few more questions. See, practice. This trigonometry or even mathematics, it's all about practice. The more you will practice, the better you will be able to approach any new question. Okay, so let's do this question. prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equals to 2 sec A. Here, of course, you should be clear that we will be taking left hand side because there is a scope of doing the simplification. If we will take the right hand side, then we won't be able to think about anything apart from changing it in cos. So here, of course, definitely we will be taking the left hand side. That is the only option, and we will be trying proving it equals to right hand side. Let's do it. Left hand side is given as cos A by 1 plus sin A, and if we will be like 1 plus sin A by cos A. If we will be taking the basic first thing which coming in our mind is to let's take a LCM. Maybe that will help. Everyone is thinking about the same. Okay, so let's take the LCM. What will be the LCM? What will be the LCM?
Sin A cos
Cos A and then 1 plus sin A. When completely different denominator is there, then the product of both is the LCM. Okay, here we'll be having what will be there in the numerators part. Who will say? Yeah, what will be there in the numerators part? Anyone?
cos A square
Cos square. Yeah, or cos A square. Yes, plus.
1 plus sin A square.
And after looking at this step, one thing is coming in our mind. Let's expand it because we don't know where to go, right? Right? Everyone is thinking about the same. Let's apply the formula of A plus B whole square because sec we have to prove, but we don't know what to do, how to go over there. Okay, this is completely a new question. So how we will be doing that? Let's expand this A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square by cos A 1 plus sin A. Okay, now can you see this cos square and sin square? Identity we can use over here. Only three formula we are having in hand, and one of the formula we can apply over here. Yes or no? Yes or no? It will be just 1. Okay, plus 1 plus 2 sin A. See, we don't know what to do. Whatever is coming in our way, the way we solve any puzzle, the way when we play video game or anything, if the ball is coming, if any there like nowadays I don't know which type of video game you play. Previously we used to play Mario and all. So there like the Mario, it used to go and the ball is coming and then the dragon is coming and then everyone is coming. It has to save itself. So whatever is coming in the way, it like there is no like target or anything. It just have to keep on going and keep on going and keep on going, and whatever is coming on the way, it has to just save itself. That was the purpose only. Okay, you just need to save the Mario, and if you will be able to save it for longer period of time, then you will be achieving like stars and everything, whatever. So that this is how we are solving this type of proofs. We don't know what to do, but whatever is coming in our way, a plus b type of structure, a plus b whole square type of structure. Okay, let's apply the formula. Okay, after applying the formula cos square sin square, let's use the identity. After using the identity, what we got? We are getting in the numerators part, this cos square sin square became 1. One was there, 2 sin a was there. Here in the denominator cos a is there, 1 plus sin a is there. In the numerator 1 plus 1. Okay, let's add it. We don't know what to do, so whatever is coming, let's keep on doing it. Maybe we will be able to prove it. And this you don't have to do in exam. At home, when you are practicing this way, you have to proceed and proceed and proceed, and you will find that all the question you did by yourself. All question, let me tell you, each and every question from your exercise you end up doing by yourself, and hence you got the confidence that if any question will come from trigonometry proving part, no, you will figure it out how to do it. Okay, in denominator cos a is there, 1 plus sin is there. Now one thing is coming in our mind, who will say just by looking at the numerator what to do? 2 and 2, 2 and 2, can we take out common?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we'll be taking it common and we will end up having 1 plus sin. And hence 1 plus sin is there in the denominators part also. So we are going to cancel them. And hence we got 2 by cos A. And 2 by cos A means we are done with the proof. Yes or no? 2 second. So I would not say that this is the only way to prove it. There are so many ways. You just keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving. You will like always, like the question will only guide you what to do, what will be the next step. But yeah, for that your previous concept has to be clear. Like if you are not getting that here a plus b whole square formula, here a square and minus b square structure you are getting, if you are not getting these basics, then you won't be able to do. Okay, this is how we have to prove it. Anyone having any confusion? Any
No, ma'am.
confusion? Okay, so start solving the question. It's not like we have together we have done few question and you will be doing those question only. I'm telling you, if you will start solving the question by yourself, you will find that you are able to solve all the question by yourself. One or two can be exception where the trick is required and we must use those trick. But remaining question, most of the question you will be able to do by yourself only. Please try doing it. We will not work on the right hand side here, because after converting the sec and cosec in terms of sine and cos, we will end up getting confused what to do. So always choose the side where more simplification, more calculation can be done. Always work on that side only. Try doing it now. Please try doing it. Albina, Afnan, Aisha, uh, Zanad, Abdul. Please try doing it. Okay? Give me a second. Are you able to do it by yourself? See, the basic approach, we don't know what to do. Even I don't know what to do. Okay. So what will be the approach? Tan we will change to sine by
You can
cos.
convert it.
Yes, exactly, Aisha. And cot we will convert to cos by sine. Okay. Plus cot we will convert to cos by sine.
Ma'am, but cot theta, why can't we change it to 1 by tan theta?
Okay. If you want to convert, Aisha, in terms of tan theta, if you want to convert
Yeah.
cot as a 1 by tan, like converting everything in sine and cos will make more sense. Okay.
Oh,
If we are converting, Aisha, this tan in sine and cos, so better to convert cot also in sine and cos.
yeah.
tan को अगर साइन और cos में चेंज कर दिए और cot को tan में रख दिए तो फिर वो तो हेल्प नहीं करेगा ना. ऐसा कुछ करे कि सारा साइन एंड कॉस के टर्म में रहे एंड मे बी लेटर ऑन वील बी एबल टू कैंसल देम आउट मे बी.
Yes.
Okay, that's why everything we are converting in terms of sine and cos. Zunad, are you getting it, Zunad?
Yeah. I think
Okay,
we have.
now we will be focusing on solving this denominators part because there is nothing to solve in the numerators part. There is nothing. Okay, we'll be taking the LCM. LCM will be for the denominators part. LCM will be
Sin theta.
sine theta, and we'll be getting here 1 minus, not 1, sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, here we'll be getting sine by cos as it is, it will be there in the numerators part. Similarly, on the denominator part, here we have to work LCM is cos, and here we'll be getting cos theta minus sine theta. Everyone is getting it.
Yes.
Now we have one option to just simplify this fraction by fraction part. Okay, so we will be taking sine theta. Along with that, one more sine theta will come. I am writing it directly. However, you should use your concept. Okay, this two together and this two together. Similarly, here also cos and cos will be together. Again, we will be taking the LCM. But we will be careful that here we are having sine theta minus cos theta. Here we are having cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, so we must make it same first if that is possible, because if same term is there in both parts, that we can take in the LCM. Okay, common, just like the common factor. So what we will be doing, we will be making the other one, or maybe the first one, both we just need to make it same. Sine theta minus cos theta minus sine theta, like both we need to keep it same. By taking minus common, we will be able to do so. That's why we are thinking about it. Minus sign, we will be taking out common. Maybe from here in the denominator, minus sign, we will take out common. And it will be sine theta minus cos theta. Tell me if you are not getting how I made this one as a this one. Please let me know if you are not getting. I am telling you, by taking negative sign common, we will be able to make it like this. Are you getting it?
Ma'am, but
Are
why
you?
are we taking negative sign?
Uh, yeah, what you said, Aisha?
Why we can't take positive?
See, here we are having sine theta positive. Here we are having sine negative.
Yeah.
Here we are having cos negative. There we are having cos positive. So exactly same thing we are having in both the bracket. but there is a difference of plus and minus. Okay, so we can make it same by taking out negative sign common. Why I am saying that? A, when you are having a minus b, and if you want to make it b minus a, if you want to make it b minus a, then you can take negative one negative sign you can write by yourself. Okay, and then this a will be negative a and this b will be positive b, and hence it became, we can write this negative a positive b as a b minus a, we can write it with negative sign out. If you will open the bracket, you will realize that we have not done any drastic change. Just open the bracket, it is minus b plus a. Okay, that means a minus b only we are having. Still we are having a minus b. See, we started with a minus b, still we are having a minus b, but little bit of representation we have changed. If I will tell you that there is a positive number 5, please write it with negative sign. So one arrangement you can do, what you can do, minus of minus 5 you can write. There is no difference between 5 and minus of minus 5. Is there any difference?
No.
No. Similarly, when we are having a minus b, we can write one minus sign by ourselves, and hence we have to reverse each and every sign. So a positive, it will become negative a. B negative, it will become positive b. And hence it will, we can write it as a b minus a. B को पहले लिख दिया और A को, then we are writing A. We are not changing anything. See, you must understand minus 3 plus 8 and 8 minus 3 is the same thing. That's why I am saying that minus A plus B and B minus A is the same thing with negative out, of course. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay, we have not done any change, just the representation we have changed. And that's what we will be doing over here. We will be taking minus common. It will become sine theta minus cos theta. This minus sign and this plus sign will just combine together and will be minus over. This much understanding we must have. Then only you will be able to prove it. Okay, so try proving it.